let me read the question. What they told us: from the point on the ground, the angle of the elevation of the bottom and the top of transmission tower fixed the top of 20 मीटर हाई बिल्डिंग, यानी कि एक टावर को 20 मीटर हाई बिल्डिंग के ऊपर बिल्ड किया गया है। एंड व्हेन वी आर वॉचिंग फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट, यानी एक ही पॉइंट से हम टावर का टॉप देख रहे हैं और सेकेंड टाइम अगर हम टावर का बॉटम देख रहे हैं, बिल्डिंग का बॉटम नहीं, अगर हम बिल्डिंग के ऊपर लगे हुए टावर का टॉप मीन्स दिस एंड टॉप एंड द बॉटम विल बी दिस, एंड इफ वी आर वॉचिंग फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट व्हाट विल हैपन, two angles are given, one is 45 and one is 60 degree. So as I told you, अगर हम एक ही साइड से देख रहे हैं तो if it is higher, so the angle will be larger, and if we are talking about this, हमारा साइड थोड़ा नीचे जाएगा मीन एंगल डिक्रीज होगा, और जैसे जैसे हम पूरा डाउन जाएंगे, यानी अगर हम बिल्डिंग के बॉटम को देखेंगे तो हमारा एंगल 0 हो जाएगा. So on the basis of that, we have taken this whole angle as 60 degree and this small angle as 45 degree. Let me write over here so you will understand 45 degree. Then what we have to find? Find the height of the tower. Means here we have to find height of the tower. So how we will find? So let us guess. अब यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं दिया है. Let us guess few things. Let me guess it as x, and first we will find that x. Then we have to find this. This is the question mark. So here let me give the name. If this triangle is known as ABCD, so first we have to work on triangle that will be ABC. Means we have to work on triangle ABC. In that theta is given as 45 degree, BC is given as 20 degree, and AB is not given, so let us take it as x. Then in second figure on which we have to work out, that will be triangle ABD, and in that this theta will become 60 degree. And we are not knowing this, and we are knowing this as 20. So let us take this is the question mark, and as we are knowing this AB as x, so let us find all the solution. First we will find that ऐसा कौन सा थीटा है जिसमें अपोजिट अपॉन एडजेसेंट होता है, तो that is tan theta, that is opposite upon adjacent. So here we have to do tan 45, that will be equals to opposite, that is 20, and AB is x. What is the value of tan 45? That is equals to 1, and that is equals to 20 by x. अगर है x को हम उस साइड लेके जा रहे हैं, so our x will become 20, and if it is in meter, let us write in meter. Now whatever we are getting x over here, we will use for the second figure. So here again I will apply that this is the combo of two things. We have to find CD. CD is what? Height of tower. And CB is what? Height of building. Again, if we are talking about opposite upon adjacent, this time we are knowing that is 20 because we just found that x, and what is x? X is AD. So we will use that over here in second figure. We will write it as 20 meter, and now we have to find that BD. Means we have to find this whole thing. उसमें से हम 20 subtract करेंगे तो we will find that CD and height of the tower. So let us find. We will apply tan 60 degree. That will be equals to opposite upon adjacent. Now here we have to find what is the value of tan 60. That is under root 3 is equals to opposite, that is BD, and adjacent, that is 20. So we got answer, means answer of BD we got as 20 under root 3 meter. Now here again we will find that CD, because we have to find CD, that is what? Height of tower. So BD is made up of what? So BD is made up of BC plus CD. So let us substitute all the value. BD is 20 under root 3. BC, that is given us as 20, and CD we are not knowing. Let us shift. 20 under root 3 minus 20 is equals to CD. 20 let us take common. It will become under root 3 minus 1, and that is equals to CD. This will be our answer. But if you want to substitute value, that under root 3 is equals to 1.73. So let me substitute over here, then our answer will become 20 into 1.73 minus 1. So it will become 20 into 0.73 further if you want to solve it, you can solve. You can write 20 into 73 by 100. If you are removing this, it will become 5 to the 10, and 73 by 5 remain. So 73 divided by 5 you will do 5 on the 5. 2 will remain. 3 will come down. In a table of 5, what will come? 5 4 is 20. 3 will remain. Keep it point. 5 6 is 30. So our answer will become 14.6 meter. That is the height of tower. So here at last you can write that height of the tower is 14.6 meters. So this is the end of this question. We read the new question. Question number 8. A statue 1.6 meter tall stand on the top of the pedestal from the point on a ground. Means pedestal is lying over here and उसके ऊपर एक statue है. Suppose this is statue of some person. So what they said, the statue is 1.6 meter tall. Means statue की height दी है, but they not gave the height of pedestal. This is pedestal. Then what happened? The angle of the elevation of the top of the statue. यानी अगर हम ground से statue के top को देख रहे हैं, then it is making 60 degree over there, and from the same point, the angle of the elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45. Find the height of the pedestal. So अगर उन्होंने ये नहीं बोला है कि statue के bottom को देख रहे हैं, उन्होंने बोला pedestal के top को देख रहे हैं. So meaning is same. If they are telling us that if we are watching top, bottom of statue and top of pedestal both having same meaning, and if we are watching, as I told you, that angle will decrease, so it will become 45. It means they gave this small angle as 45 degree. No new data they have given to us, so let us guess it. Let me guess it is this one as H. Let me give it name as A, B, C, D, and here again we have to work on two triangles. So which two triangle? So one is the triangle ABC. In that theta is 45 degree and this height is H. We are not knowing AB. And the second figure is that is ABD. In that theta is given as 60 degree and the height of this will be H plus 1.6 meter. Okay, so let us apply all the rules which we are knowing. So let us apply. It is tan 45. Tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. Tan theta's value will be 1. Opposite is H and adjacent is AB. So here AB again we got as H only. If it is in meter, later on we will write. So for the second figure, we will take this one as H. Now we have to apply again opposite upon adjacent is there. So tan 60 is equals to opposite, that will be BD, and adjacent will be AB. Let us substitute value. Tan 60 is under root 3. BD is H plus 1.6 meter and AB is given as H. Let us shift it, so it will become under root 3H and that will be equals to H and plus 1.6. Let us take H this side, so it will become minus H and it will become equals to 1.6. Let us take H common, so it will become under root 3 minus 1, that is equal to 1.6. If we want to substitute value, we can substitute over here. Means we have to make H alone. So अगर हम H को अकेला कर रहे हैं, so it will come down, it will become 1.6 under root 3 minus 1. If you want to take denominator in simplest form, we will multiply under root 3 plus 1 in numerator also and in denominator also. Then how it will look like? So it will look like 1.6 into under root 3 plus 1, and in down we will apply identity A minus B, A plus B, that will become under root 3 square minus 1 square. So now it will become 1.6 under root 3 plus 1, under root 3 square 3 and that minus 1, so it will become 1.6 under root 3 plus 1 and 3 minus 1, that will become 2. अगर हम यहाँ डेसिमल पॉइंट रिमूव कर रहे हैं, so it will become 16/2. 10. Now let me remove it, so it will become 8. So our answer will be 0.8 under root 3 plus 1, and then you have to write meter. Now what was that h? That is the CD. H is equals to what? CD. Let us read question again, that what we have to find. So bola hai find the height of pedestal. So the height of the pedestal is already BC. So here we can write that height of is equals to h, and that is equals to BC, and that is equals to 0.8 under root 3 plus 1 meter. And if you want to substitute value of under root 3, you can substitute 1.73 and you can solve it further on. But if board have asked and given the value in bracket, then only you are solving, as this answer will be also considered. In this question, the angle of the elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. So what thing is given to us? One tower is there and one building is there. Now actually in our real life, tower will be having more height than the building, but here when you will see figure in some books, you will find some different thing. So here I am indicating this one as tower and this one as building. So the angle of the elevation of the top of the building, यानी building के top को अगर हम tower के down से, means from the foot of the tower, if we are watching that building, it is forming 30 degree over there. Okay, understood the concept? Then they said the angle of the elevation of the top of the building, the angle of the elevation of the top of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, means यहाँ पे 50 meter the height of tower दे दी गई. Okay, so again I am reading the question, because to reading the question and to form the figure, that will be most important for us, because on the basis of that we will apply tan, sin and cos. So the angle of the elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower should be there. So let me write tower is 60 degree, यानी अगर हम यहाँ बिल्डिंग के फुट से टावर को देख रहे हैं, तो इट इज फॉर्मिंग 60 डिग्री ओवर देयर. इफ द टावर इज 50 मीटर हाई, टावर की हाइट 50 मीटर दी है, फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग. वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस. लेट अस गिव सम नेम. सो लेट मी राइट इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ A, B, C and D. So here we have to talk about two triangles. One triangle is ABD, in that this one is given as 60 degree and this one is given as 50 meter. ठीक है? And in the second figure we have to talk about another triangle, that is ABC, and in that we have to find this BC, and this angle is given as 30 degree. So what kind of option we having? Let us find. So if theta is here and we are not knowing anything, both having common, this one as AB. So and here 45 is not given. अगर 45 दे देते हैं और opposite side जो भी है adjacent side same आती है. So here no answer is given. So first we will find this AB by this figure. So let us find. ऐसा कौन सा थीटा होगा जिसमें opposite upon adjacent आएगा? So let us write tan theta is equals to opposite upon adjacent. So let us write tan 60 is equals to 50 upon AB, because opposite side is 50 and adjacent side of this theta is AB. Let us substitute value of 60, that is under root 3, and this is 50, and we have to find this AB. So let us take that AB upside. So it will become AB is equals to 50 divided by 3. And if it is in meter, we will write it in meter. Let us keep this one as it is. Wherever it will be useful to us, we will use it. So it will be useful over here that AB we have found 50 under root 3. Let us apply theta over here again. So here we are doing that tan theta is equals to opposite upon adjacent. tan here we have to take as 30, opposite as BC, और BC हमें ढूंढना है, that is height of the building, and adjacent, that is 50 under root 3. Let us take value tan 30, that is 1 upon under root 3. तो ये कैसे जाएगा? That under root 3 will goes up with BC and 50 will remain as it is. Now we will do cross multiplication, means 50 will goes up, under root 3 is at its place, and this under root 3 is coming down, and we are making BC as a length. So under root 3 into under root 3, that will make 3, so 50 by 3. If we want to find or solve it for, we will find 50 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 2 will remain, take 0. 6 3s are 18, 2 will remain over there, make decimal point, make it 20. 6 3s are 18, 2 will remain, this 2 will continue. So we are writing our answer as 16.6 meter. So this is the end of this question. I hope you understood what kind of question. First we have to take this triangle, then we have to take this triangle. In the first one we are finding AB, that AB we are utilizing over here, and then we are finding CB. But the concept to make the figure, that will be most important, because to form figure, if we can't form the figure properly, we can't understand this concept that we have to separate two triangles. So to read the question is most important for this chapter.